And Dr. Zakir, could you possibly tell us what is the importance of fasting 10 days in Dhul Hijjah?
As far as fasting on the first 10 days of the month of Hajj, Dhul Hijjah, it's mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 2432, that the beloved Prophet ﷺ said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala likes the virtue the most of a person who fasts in these days, that the 10 days of Dhul Hijjah, and he likes it a lot. So a person asks that, does he like even more than doing jihad with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? One of the Sahaba, he asked that, does Allah like it more than even doing jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? So the Prophet replied, yes, even more than that. Unless a person goes out for qital, that's in the battlefield, with his life and wealth, and does not come back with both of them. Except for that, it's been better doing jihad in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So this is the importance of fasting in the first 10 days of Hajj.
Jazakallah khair.